So I'm working on another forklift. This one had the starter burnout. It's a JCB 930. So here's the starter. I just took it out. And we called JCB to get the part to see if it's available. And it was actually $1,100 just for this starter from JCB, and there's only one dealer around where we're at. And it took some digging, but I was able to match up the motor. So it's actually a Perkins diesel, and I went to Perkins' website and looked up by their list number that's available on the side of the motor, and then found Perkins' part number for that starter, and then cross-referenced that to a website on Google, and got the part for $134, and we can get it next day here. So I'll show you in the video of how I was able to do that. I'll cut now and do that. So here's the motor. So taking it out was actually pretty easy. There's 3 studs here, so they got nuts on them. And then unhook the ground cable, which this one had a little ground cable for just probably the solenoid on the back, and then it had its hot positive wire here, and then got those taken out, pulled the starter out. So here's the part number I was talking about, where JCB has this tag here where you can actually see it's a Perkins motor. And I went to Perkins' website and went to their search, find by parts by list number, and put this list number in here, the AR5681, and I put that into their website, and it brought up a list of all the parts for this motor, and I looked for the starter part number, found that, and then actually searched with a company. I searched it in Google and found a company, DB Electrical, that's selling the starter brand new for $134. So that's crazy compared to the $1,100 price that we were getting from JCB. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that. Here's a close-up look of the starter. So it tells me on the Perkins website how many teeth it is and the rotation, and it gives me a picture, and so it has all the information to make sure it matches up with